Hey, what is up you guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another video. Today we are working on the C4. And if you're new to the channel, my name is Jeff and this is my 1989 Corvette. Okay guys, here's an update on where things are at since the last mods and repairs video. As you can tell, the squeak that I had under the hood after a cold start with the air conditioner on is gone. It turns out it was indeed the belt tensioner and not the AC compressor, which is awesome. I've tested it a few times now without any issues. It feels good to win sometimes, boys and girls. Let's talk about the roof anti-squeak kit that I tried to install in the last video. I still haven't figured out where these pads go or where I want to put them. Now, as you guys know, I bought this kit from Eckler's, but since the last video, I did learn that Midwest Corvette also sells this kit, and they have pictures of this kit installed on the roof panel, and here's what that looks like. Let me know what you guys think about that. My opinion is that the placement of those pads in those pictures doesn't quite look right. I did notice though that my roof panel does have a couple of these pads on the front there and there, which makes sense and seems like a good spot for them. But yeah guys, I guess the update on this is I'm still trying to figure out what to do, if anything at all. So there you go. And the last quick update for you guys is that this weather stripping that we didn't finish in the last video is going to be finished later in this video, so stay tuned. What we're gonna do first is correct an issue with this left rear tire. In a previous video, one of you guys noticed that this tire was mounted incorrectly. As you can see, the inside is on the outside and the outside is on the inside. So I'm gonna take this wheel and tire off and take it down to a tire shop and get that fixed. I also think this tire has a small leak, so I'm gonna have that looked at as well. I've seen some comments on the channel where people will say that my wheels are not facing the right direction. They were not when I first got the car, but that has been corrected and they are currently facing the right direction. So just FYI for those who may be questioning that. All right, I'm gonna need a little more room than this to get this wheel and tire off, so I need to move some cars. All right, guys, let's do this. All right, you guys, mission accomplished. Big shout out to Le Schwab for not charging me to have this done. That was really great service and saved me about 20 to 30 bucks. So that's awesome. All right, let's get this thing back on. Boom, all done. Let's move on to the weather stripping. Okay guys, I got this channel all clean. Here's a quick look at what it looked like before. And here's what it looks like now. Took me quite a bit of time. I probably got it a little cleaner than I needed to, but basically I just used Goo Gone and these scraper tools, and I was able to get it near perfect. Here's a look at the other side. As you can see, it turned out really good. Okay, so I've cleaned and prepped both surfaces. I've done a test fit, and we are ready for the install. And I am going to lay down a thin layer of this 3M weather strip adhesive just to make sure that it doesn't go anywhere. All right, she's in. Check it out. I managed to do this without making too big of a mess. That weather stripping adhesive is kind of stringy, but overall, not too bad. I got this piece from Eckler's, and the overall fit and finish is pretty good. I'm happy with it. So the last thing I need to do is poke holes in the ends right here and reinsert these push pins just to hold the ends in place, and then it should be good to go. Okay guys, the push pins are in. Now let's just make sure the doors shut okay. Perfect. I'm gonna let this cure for about 24 hours before I put the roof back on, and then we'll be back in business.